Hey everyone, Corinne Epps here from thirddaybuttransformation.com, and today I'm going to be taking you through an awesome ab and butt workout. It's going to get you nice, tight, lean abs and nice butt. So let's go ahead and get started. The first exercise we're going to do is we're going to do a plank. So we're here, you're going to do knee tuck, and you're going to take it out. All right, so we're going to do 10 on one side and 10 on the other, and let's just begin. Stomach's nice and tight. Squeeze your butt at the top too. 2 more. Great job. Other side, knee in, squeeze it up. Awesome. All right, now go ahead and go onto your back. We're gonna lay back, and you're gonna do this ab exercise where your legs are, as your legs come out, your hands are gonna come up, and then your back out. So up and back out. Ready? 20 of these, let's go. Try to reach as far past your legs as possible. We got 10 more. One more. Great job. All right, next we're going to hip thrust. Really working the butt now. Heels are close to your butt. Let's go. You're lifting up as high as you can. Squeeze at the top for 20. All the weight should be in your heels. Really feeling your glutes as you come up and squeeze up as high as you can. Two more. All right, great job. And let's take it back into the abs with the plank. So go ahead, bring it up into a plank position. So this time what we're doing is a rotating plank with a hip dip. So it's gonna look like this. You're on your elbows, you rotate, drop your hip, lift up, back down, and switch. Rotate, drop your hip, lift up, switch. That's 10, we're halfway there. Whoops. You're doing good. Really feeling these already. Two more. Last one. Great job. And now bring it back onto your back for more abs. This time we're going into a bicycle crunch. So go ahead, lay back. Opposite knee to opposite elbow. Make sure to take your legs way out. So you're here. Great job. Bring it back down for hip thrust again. Let's make that butt work. Come on, squeeze it up. Really squeeze at the top. Come on, bring your butt up as high as possible. If you notice your heels slipping, bring them closer to your butt so that you can lift as high as you can. Really squeezing, really feeling the burn at the top. Last one. Great job. All right, let's go ahead and bring it back to the plank position. These planks are amazing for your abs. Okay, so we're gonna be on our elbows. We're doing plank jacks this time. So that means you jump your feet out and in. And we're doing that for 20 total. Ready? Up, let's go. Great job. Go ahead, bring it back onto your back. Here we go, more abs. Lay back. This time, you're gonna lift your legs and just do a toe reach. So it's a crunch all the way back down. Exhale, reaching up as high as you can. Come all the way down so that you can reach all the way up. Last one. Whew, great job. All right, and back to those hip thrusts. Really, let's make them count. Squeezing at the top. Adding a little pulse at the top, just to squeeze up, and as soon as you feel like you're up as high as you can, just squeeze it a little bit higher. Good, I feel the burn. Come on. 10 more. Whew, feel my legs also. That little pulse really takes it up a notch. Come on, 2 more. Last one. All right, great job. Okay, last time into our plank. Go ahead, bring it into the plank position. This time, you're gonna twist your hips, touching your hip to each side, staying on your elbows. You're gonna go here and here. Dropping your hips down, actually touch the ground. Let's go for 20. If you separate your feet, you'll find that you could bring your hips down lower. Stomach is tight. Five more. All right, great job. Go ahead, bring it onto your back. Last time for our ab exercise on our back. All right, hands underneath your butt. We're gonna go switching here. It's like scissor legs. You're going here, and you're holding it for just a couple seconds, fighting to keep your legs straight. This is gonna work your lower abs. Stomach is tight. Come on, fight to keep your legs straight. Come on, you really feel those. Keep your foot off the ground. Take it low, but don't let it touch the ground. Lifting my head up just makes me feel it. It's like tension in my abs the whole time. Stomach is tight. Make sure you're breathing. Whew. Just a couple more. Good, last one. Excellent. All right, here we go into our last set of hip thrusts. Again, let's pulse it at the top to really feel it and burn it out with our last exercise. Be sure to keep your heels as close as you can to your butt so you make sure you're lifting up as high as possible. Come on, we're halfway there. Whew, I'm feeling the burn already. As high as you can. Good, last one right here, bring it up. Whew, awesome. All right, great job. Thank you so much for joining me in that video. I'm sure that tomorrow you're gonna feel your abs. Keep coming back, keep doing these videos, and I will see you again in the next video. And for the #1 butt workout, be sure to check out 30daybutttransformation.com.